Dear students, now I am going to speak about nesting behavior in birds. Every one of you might have seen varieties of birds' nests. Birds build nests for the safety of eggs and young ones. Birds' nests vary greatly. They may be very simple nest you may find on the ground of lapwing. You will be able to see in this picture. It's a simple nest, and from that it varies into a very complex nest of with lot of engineering skills and architectural skilled nests of weaver birds or birds the complex nests of the Indian paradise flycatcher bird. Likewise, simple nests on ground lined with grasses and leaves. You will be able to find the nests of the quail. It's they use the grasses mainly, or the leaves, or the twig nests, or the cup shaped depression lined with grasses of feathers, usually found on building or on the cliff. You will be able to see, or also in the tree branches, that is of crows or the vultures strokes the nests, or else you will find the nests they are excavated holes in the trees, that is in the case of woodpecker it is, or the nests in the excavated cliff of kingfisher. So varieties of nests you can able to see. So this today I am going to speak about only the nesting behavior in case of Tailor bird, and that is called Orthotomos sartorius, and the bower bird Ptilorhynchus. So only this in this video, and in my next video I am going to speak about the nesting behavior in weaver bird. So nesting behavior in Tailor bird Orthotomos sartorius is a sparrow sized, you may see in the picture, is a sparrow sized olive green bird with white underpart, has a long tailed bird, is a familiar sight throughout India. It's a common bird you will find in your garden also if you are having a keen observation. So it has got name Tailor bird, owes this name to its the female bird has got extraordinary sewing skills. She uses her bill as a needle and stitches leaf nest. You can able to see in this picture. These are the songbirds, or they are belonging to the big order of bird called Passeriformes. So all these are called songbirds. The Tailor bird, they show a long term bondage with their mating partner and remain together in a location. During breeding season, the female carefully chooses a broad, strong and supple leaf which can provide a good structure support once it gets folded. She is looking for such leaves. She usually selects a leaf in the middle of a thick foliage to avoid the nest being seen, and also the end of a branch to avoid predator entering into the nest. So the place she is building nest is such a way it should not seen quickly by the anybody, so that it is not get disturbed, and also to avoid predator. She then wraps the leaf around herself to check the size. If it is not then of proper size, then she adds 2 or more leaves. You may see in this here she has taken the 3 leaves are stitched together to make the funnel shape, the nest. So here she has used only one leaf, she folded here now. So tailor birds are fond of large leaves. She uses her feet to pull the leaf together and pierces small holes along the leaf's edge. Using needle-like beak, she uses her the beak or the bill like a needle. Using threads from the plant fibers, you may see in this picture, she is bringing the plant fibers, or she collects the silk from the insect cocoon, or else she uses cobwebs or spider webs. She stitches the holes. The edge of the threads act like a rivets, holding the leaf edges together. Nest is made up of two or more live stitched leaves in the form of a cup. Wrapping it further with the spider webs and hold the shape. She further strengthens outside sometimes with the help of the spider webs, and she make the this is strong. The nest is strong. A nest may contain 150 to 200 stitches. So they will they fill the inner part of the nest. This get filled with the grasses, and it makes a tight waterproof home for her young ones. Nest is usually filled with the cotton wools. You may see in this the cotton wool or feathers, or it is the soft fibers, and make a soft bed. You can make she makes a soft bed, and materials she whatever she uses, it is insulate and also helps with the thermoregulation and reduces the ectoparasitic infestation. So the material will be chosen in such a way, it should not it is giving a softness to the young ones or the eggs, as well as it is regulate the temperature, and also the it should not easily, the usually they are infested with the lice, so to avoid the lice infestation. So the nest may have a roof to avoid the protection from rain. You will see that protection from rain and the sun. Clutches means the egg case, or else the cup shaped structure of the nest which is holding the eggs. The clutches are usually 2 to 5 pastel blue eggs. The egg color is pastel blue color, and both parents share the responsibility of feeding and caring for young birds. Male feeds her while she incubates eggs for 12 days. She is incubating the eggs for 12 days. That time male taking care of her and feeding her. So this is what you will find. The parental care is jointly they share that, whereas the nest building entirely taken up by the female. After mating, female begins nest building. It takes her up to 2 days to stitch the pouch, and while while she is making her nest, males defends the territory. That is, he shows territoriality while she is showing nesting behavior. Once the pouch is ready, now male helps her to line it with the fine grass and cotton, feathers and animal hairs. All this work done by the female, but the material supplied by the male. This is you can see the materials are supplied by the male. It is like a test for fitness for both. There may be several failures. It is not in a first attempt they can make a very good nest. There may be several failures when thread breaks or leaf tears. All these will happen, but the female works tirelessly to repair the damage. If the damage is too severe, then the nest is abandoned and the new one is made using recycled materials to save the energy. So this is about nesting behavior in tailored bird. Now let us study the nesting behavior in bower bird. So bower bird you won't see in our country. It is the bird of the Australian continent and Australia and New Guinea, and in this region you will able to see there are about 18 species of these bower birds. They are they belonging to the family Tilonerinchidae, are stout. It is a very unique nesting behavior you will see in this bird. So bower means it is you will find the entrance, the entrance of the garden, or sometimes to your home you make a the arched entrance using the growing some plants and all, that is how the bower. So these bower bird they are stout. You will see in the picture, this is male and this is a female. There is a lot of size and color differences you will see. The male is they are you can see they are very stout and heavy build and strong footed songbird, it's of a crow size bird, having a metallic bluish black color, and a satin bower bird it is called, and distributed in Australia and New Guinea surrounding islands. Majority, there are about 17 to 18 species are they are reproducing polygynously. Polygynously means single the male bird mate with many female bird. So it is a polygynous, not like your jacana. It is a polygynous. It is a polyandrous jacana, what you studied the parental care in jacana. And there is a they defend their the male defend the territory of the nesting site. Bower bird species are known for constructing architecturally elaborate nest of sticks and also decorate with the colorful natural or human made objects. You will see here, this is the beautiful, architecturally beautiful nest, and it is decorated. Most bower birds have a lek-like mating system. Lek-like mating system means they don't care for, there is no the male birds, they are they build architecturally elaborate nests, and after nest they mate with the female, but not bother to the for the parental care. So this is called a lek-like mating system. Males have no role in parental care. Male builds intricate crafted stick structures associated with their display at the site. That is, those are called you can see the arch like structure that is built by the male bird is called bower. Bower birds build nest in a platform. First it make a platform, you will see here. So made up of twigs. After making a platform, two parallel walls built with a couple of arched twigs. You can see these are the walls, arch shape, two walls, parallel walls built by the arched twigs. There is a display ground in front of the nest. There will be a platform you will find, or display ground in front of the nest, and where hundreds of colorful things arranged. So they displayed in a decorative manner. There is a pattern of display also. Colorful displayed objects include blue feathers. They are fond of blue color. Blue feathers or shells, knick-knack, dead colorful insects, flowers, colored berries, colorful mushrooms, stones, bones, snake skin, so many materials. Either of they are natural, or else sometimes they also steal the materials from the residence or from the the humans residence. So they displayed at the entrance of the bower. Some species of bower birds prepare paints to paint nests. They use powdered charcoal mixed with fruit pulp and saliva and make a putty. So it's like make a paint. With the help of this, with the help of a soft bark, they paste the wall of the bower. So they paint the bower. Bower birds exhibits a complex courtship behavior. So this is a unique courtship behavior. So not only building the nest and decorating it, painting it, and also he shows vocalization during breeding season, and this has this courtship behavior, vocalization, have been associated with the intelligence and artistic sense when compared to the other birds. So it is a unique courtship behavior what you see in case of bowered bird, and this architecturally elaborate nests will be built by practicing several years sometimes. Most species of these birds paint their nest with blue. It's, as I said, it's a fond of blue color. Even they steal blue from laundry, or they use a pulp of blue fruits. They prefer mainly blue colored objects, that's why. So blue glasses, feathers, flowers, etc. The objects on the display are arranged by size, so that the smaller objects are closer to the nest, and the larger objects away from the nest. It creates a optical illusion. So males create a high quality illusion, can gain more mates. So the females will be attracted by this optical illusion created by in front of the bower. After constructing and displaying, bower male makes a mating calls and flutter the wings and tail like a fan. Female responds for it and attracted towards the displayed objects of the bower. So then mating takes place, and so the further you can see the courtship will be displayed by these birds. This is about the nesting behavior, what unique nesting behavior what you see in case of bower bird. Nesting behavior in case of weaver bird and the significance of this nesting behavior you are going to study in my next video. Thank you.